using our module, you will get a CAPTCHA in your registration and login page. It will help you to protect the registration and login process. In fact, for any site that is offering free registration, it is best to set up a CAPTCHA. So, all the registrations are done by humans, not programs or bots, so that buyers can fill them before beginning any kind of transaction procedure. The purpose of CAPTCHA is to ensure that those who are ordering products or services are humans only. Moreover, by using it, owners of online stores can bring down the risk of receiving fake or spam orders. So, your user will get a form to prove that they are not robots, they are humans. So, by clicking on I'm not a robot, you will get a test to check whether they are humans or not. Now, I have to fill that all the traffic lights. I think I'm done. Yes, I'm not a robot. Then I can log into my account safely with the CAPTCHA. Thank you.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.